All right, Jack in his high-rise apartment. Got Mickey Mouse over here, and then he's got the blue monkey. Then he's got AC ductwork up here that he must go and fix. You gonna fix the AC, buddy? You gonna go up in the ductwork and fix the AC? Jackie Poo. You gonna go up in the ductwork and fix the AC? You wanna fix the duck? Go find that duck. He's quacking in that AC. You gotta find him. It's like, I don't want to hear no duck. Yeah, you want to go in the duck? AC? I might just lay down on my bed. My comfy bed. Oh, he's going to cover up. You ever seen a ferret cover up? That's, okay, Daddy, kiss my butt goodbye, because I'll see you tomorrow. Jack. What are you doing? You gotta fix the AC, man. You gotta crawl in the duct. It's like, nope. He's got all assorted little things over here. What you got over here, Jack? He's got a scratching post. He's got a little hammock with all his favorite toys. He's got a little bin with some paper in it that he absolutely loves. Oh yeah, see a little paper. And his fleece military G.I. Joe blankies. He's got his little tube he can crawl into. Yeah. More tubing. And then he's got another tube. He crawls down in the bottom. Some more G.I. Joe fleece. And his little hammock tube that he likes to crawl in. He's got, well, there he is. There's Jackie Poo. Hey, Jackie Poo. What you doing, buddy? He's got his playpen over here with his toys in his little hideaway. You gonna scratch on your post there? Check your toys, your favorite toys. It's like mine. They're mine. You gonna fix the AC? You gonna crawl in the duck on the top? Yeah.